What is an email alias? Do you or any of your employees have more than one role in your organization? Does having different email identities for each of these roles make work cumbersome? Here's a quick solution in Zoho Mail. An email alias or additional email address can be created by your admin for a user's primary email account. In Zoho Mail, multiple email aliases can be created for a single user with the same domain or different domains. When an email is sent to the email alias, it gets automatically delivered to the user's primary email inbox. Whether it's permanent or temporary usage, title or designation based, campaigns or marketing activities, email aliases are your go-to email addresses to protect the privacy of your primary accounts. So, how do we create this email alias in Zoho Mail? Log into your Zoho Mail account as an administrator. Go to Admin Console. Select Users from the left side menu. Select the user you would like to add the email alias for. Select Mail Settings and click Add. You can now edit the display name, add the email alias, choose the domain from the drop-down and click Add. The email alias is successfully added. You can now manage more than one professional role with multiple email addresses from a single primary inbox. To send an email using the email alias, go to your primary email address inbox. Select New Mail. In the From address, choose the email alias from the drop-down menu. You can also add unique signatures to each of your email aliases for composing emails. And that's it. The recipient will now receive emails from the chosen email address as the From address. Please note, only the administrator of your organization can create the email aliases for the user's account. For more details on email aliases, check out our help page mentioned in the description below. Once again, thanks for watching.